One nation is ready to kill other nation because of their own nation. But our Creator, God Almighty Allah, He said in the Quran, O mankind, we created you from one male and one female. So why one nation can go and kill another nation? When that one nation and that other nation, they are all come from one mother and one father. Who make these 200 nations in the world today? They only care about their own nation. They don't care about human nation. The nationalism is destroying our human beings today. Why we don't talk about humanity? The people in America, human being. People in Europe, human being. People in Israel, human being. People in Palestine, human being. All are human beings. But because of the nationalism, the people are willing to kill other nations. Israel has own nation and the Palestine has own nation. The Israel nation willing to kill Palestinian nation. Why? Why not we consider the Israel are human being and the Palestine people are also human being?